Hi, my name is Samantha Lumley. I am in Bio 240. This is lab video number 2. The date is January 19th, 2019, and this is the dissection of my heart. Okay, so here is my sheep heart. This is the anterior portion of my sheep heart. This is the base, this is the apex. This is the anterior interventricular sulcus. This is the posterior portion of the sheep heart. This is the posterior ventricular sulcus. Interventricular sulcus. This is my left ventricle. Left ventricle. This is up here, the atrium. And back here is the pulmonary veins. This is the left auricle or left atrial appendage. These are the chordae tendineae. This is the atrial ventricular valve, the mitral valve right here. It goes from the left atrium to the left ventricle. These in here are thick tendons called papillary muscles. The left ventricle is very thick in the ventricular wall because it needs to be very strong to pump blood out into the whole body. This is the right side of the heart. This is the right ventricle, and up here is the right atrium. This is the right auricle up here. Looks like a weird fatty flap on the top. It's called the right auricle or right atrial appendage. This is the chordae tendineae right here. This is the valve that goes from the right atrium to the right ventricle, which would be the tricuspid valve. The right ventricular muscle right here is pretty thin compared to the left. The papillary muscles are right here that are connected to the chordae tendineae. Back here is the pulmonary trunk, the valve that helps blood flow from the right ventricle into the pulmonary artery would be the semilunar pulmonary valve, and it's right in here, but you can't see it very well. Let's see. There's also the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava right here. And that is my video. You can hardly see the inferior vena cava would be right here. Superior would be right here. I was kind of sad because my sheep heart was cut pretty sharp at the base, so I didn't get a lot of the aorta, and I don't have the brachiocephalic portion of the sheep heart either. So I barely have any aorta right here. So I was a little disappointed. But that is my video of the dissection of the sheep heart. Thank you.